MDES, Manual Data Entry Software. Aztec Technologies has 17 years of expertise in pharma solutions that matter. Currently, we are working with over 50 clients across the globe. Manual Data Entry Software, a web-based application designed and developed by Aztec for entering manual data into the Pi server. It is compliant with 21 CFR Part 11 guidelines and includes most of the features present in Pi Manual Logger. Especially designed for batch facilities, this application finds its usage in several industries including oil and gas, paper manufacturing, etc. The differences between Pi Manual Logger and MDES. 1. Audit Trail. During the approval process, if user changes the tag value, MDES records the reason for change, whereas Pi Manual Logger does not. 2. Report generation and printing. A report cannot be generated or printed directly from Pi Manual Logger application, whereas in MDES, admin or supervisor can generate and print audit trail, security log, and security audit reports directly from the application. 3. User login and logout. In MDES, both login and logout details of the user are captured in the security log reports. In Pi Manual Logger, only user login details are recorded. 4. Level of authentication. MDES has a 3-level authentication: administrator, supervisor, and operator, whereas Pi Manual Logger has only 2 levels of authentication: Pi Manual Logger, admins, and data entry groups. 5. Drop-down for digital tag. In MDES, user can select the tag value from a drop-down menu, whereas in Pi Manual Logger, for all the tags, user needs to enter the value manually. 6. E-signature. In MDES, e-signature is available on mobiles as well as in compliant browsers. Electronic signature is unavailable in Pi Manual Logger PC application. The signature is available only on mobiles. 7. Multiple approval. In MDES, approver can approve single, multiple, or all the tags at the same time, whereas in Pi Manual Logger, approver can approve either one or all tags, but not multiple tags at the same time. 8. Tag rejection. In MDES, approver can reject data and operator or user can correct it from the notifications feature. Data cannot be rejected by approver in the Pi Manual Logger. 9. Previous values. In Pi Manual Logger, previous values are visible only if it is configured before creating the tag set. In MDES, previously entered values for a tag appear on the display screen anytime. In fact, the last value entered can also be retrieved. 10. Tag addition. In MDES, tags can be dragged or selected from different tours, whereas in Pi Manual Logger, tags can be added only from Pi SMT tool. User with admin credentials can access all the tiles from the home screen of the application. User with supervisor credentials can access all tiles except the user's tile. User with operator credentials can access only data entry and tag sets list screens. In the data entry screen, user can enter the data for tags and comments in already configured tours or tag sets, and tag values are sent to the approver group for approval. In the approval screen, administrator or supervisor can approve the data and send it to Pi server by providing credential information, that is, e-signature. Also, approver can reject the data by providing the reason for rejection and credential confirmation. After data rejection, the user who entered the data can see the reason for rejection and correct and resend the new data from the notification itself. Audit trail is where all the changes to tags and its values, user-related modifications, and user login and logout details are captured. Admin or a supervisor can print audit report directly from the application, and the printed report contains information such as downloaded by, role of the user, time duration of the report, time printed. The MDES advantage: 1. Tag value rejection and correction from notification feature. 2. Generic batch reports can be fetched. 3. In MDES, only administrator can overwrite tag values upon providing the reason for editing or overwriting and confirming with e-signature. 4. Unapproved tag values can be modified by any user upon providing the reason for change. 5. MDES supports data entry via mobile devices. 6. User can scan bar or QR code of an equipment from the mobile version of MDES to enter the data. Why MDES? Customers, especially from pharma industry, can leverage the functionalities of MDES along with Pi to fulfill their requirements for batch context. We have 4 branches in the US and 2 in India.